Okay, welcome back. Just back to the Euro USD 5 minute chart again. I've just changed things around a little bit. Just trying to work out a filtering system to keep out of some of the bad trades. As you can see here, we've just got the Euro USD 5 minute chart and MetaTrader. Don't worry about all these horizontal lines across here. It's just the pivot levels I've got on the chart at the moment. That green one there is just a sell signal from a couple of days ago. Alright, below I've got the stochastic, slightly different to the single line. I'll just bring up the property box, 10, 6 and 3, low and high, linear weighted. Pretty straightforward. Now this is the filter I'm looking at. Now it's a custom indicator which is easily found anywhere for free on Google. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Laguerre, ACSI, Laguerre, Laguerre. Here's the settings here. Gamma 0.6, maximum bars 1000, MA2. I've just got the one line coloured, crimson line, that red sort of looking line there. The levels is 3 horizontal lines across the indicator, 0.15, 0.5 and 0.85. Pretty straightforward. As I said, you can find that just about anywhere. The actual custom indicator, Laguerre ACS. I just call it the lag. It's just simple for me. Now we'll just go back a bit. I'll bring up my crosshairs. I just want to show you how I'm going to use this, or I'm thinking of using it. I'm still playing with this setup, so let's have a look. Alright, let's see if we can find a couple of examples. Here's one here. Just follow the crosshairs. Now with the lag or the Laguerre, what we're looking for, it's a bit like an overbought, oversold indicator, I guess. If the price is rising, the lag normally comes up like here. You see how the stock's going up and price is going up. It just comes up with the trend basically, and what we're looking is for break through this bottom line or break through the top line. When it comes from underneath this lower line, the 0.15, basically would go long. As you can see, the stock's already turned up. It's a bit of an early warning. The stock's crossed here in that area. The lag still hasn't turned up through that line. As soon as it turns through, go long. Now we've had a bit of it's on this candle here, this little one that's sticking up. As you can see, we've had a bit of a pullback. Even the stock stayed long, and the lag is still going up. So we're going up, going up, going up. Now we have a pullback here on the stock and a crossover to the downside. Now that you may be tempted to go short there. Now what I'm looking at here is the lag is still going up, and it's broken up through the top line still, and it's staying above. Now what I'm looking for, as long as it stays above this top line, the 0.85, I'm going to remain in the long position. As you can see, the stock's come down and the price has started heading up again. The lag basically just goes flat against the roof there, which means stay long, stay long, stay long. Now what's happening here, the stock's starting to turn down, come from the overbought area. The lag's still high, but there's a good warning signal there that things may change shortly. Now the stock has come down below, lag still up high, stock's down, stock's down. Right, the lag drops away sharply, and we're short again. And again, we have the stock turning back up. See, it's turning back up there. And it's probably caused by that candle there. However, the lag still stayed down. Below, and the price has dropped away again. So there's a nice little move there. We're only on a 5 minute chart, so you're not looking for hundreds of pips here. And once again, the stock's turned up. And even good divergence there. I'll show you the divergence. Pretty simple. There's across there. And let's have a look. Across there. See how we've got this low here, then it goes lower. We've got the low here, the stock's come down, the low, that's pretty close to it. Even though price has gone lower, the stock hasn't. So I can tell you, just about once it starts heading up, it's going to head up. That's divergence. Get rid of them. Let's have a look, see if we can find some other examples where, yeah, this one here again, where's my crosshair? Here's one on the left here. Nice cross there on the stock. The lag hasn't quite broken down, breaks down through here, comes down and stays down. See, it stays down even though the stock's heading up. Stays down, has a little bit of a bump there, but no big deal. And you know, the trend is still heading down slowly, and the stochastic turns back down and the lag stays down. It's not until the stock turns up here, again there's divergence, there's a low there, low there, low, low. You see that's sloping down, that's sloping up, divergence. And the lag goes up through the 0.15, the lower line, with the stock, with the stochastic. And again we have these little crosses to the downside, but the lag staying above that top line. Even though we have all this ugly, and look here, it's even turned down below from above the overbought area, and you'd be tempted, but the lags keep you in the trade, and up we go again. And again we have that divergence. See the high on the stock here, and these highs here are lower, so you've got a trending down line, and the price is going up, and as per a lot of divergence, just falls off. Down we go again. So it's just a brief, very brief overview of what I'm looking at. It may be a filter that you can use. It doesn't work all the time, like any technical trading. It's not perfect, but it seems to keep you in trades a bit longer, and you can avoid a bit of whipsawing. As I said, it's not perfect. Still keep an eye on the news. Pick your trading times. Just go at the beginning of this chart. The wrong end. That's basically coming out of the tail end of the Asian session, start of the UK session, that line down there. See the stock's heading up slowly, the lag stayed down, and there's a nice big downtrend there. That would have been me for the day. And it's just sideways from there on. Alright, that'll do. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that'll help you in your short-term trading.